Hey everybody, welcome back. And we're taking a look at the Pixel 2 XL at the end of 2022. This would be probably one of Google's best release devices ever so far. Now, it's not to trash the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro or even the 6 and 6 Pro, but when this device released, it released with things that were unheard of in its time. Now, this is a 5-year-old device, and the longest that it got was Android 11 with security patches that went up to 2020. But when it released, it had a thing that most devices didn't have at that time, eSIM support. And so you can activate eSIM on this device, but it does not use DSDS. Alongside that, it was the first of the Pixel devices to have this new 18:9 aspect ratio, which was kind of cool, and one of the last to be built by LG before Google completely relied on Foxconn to build their devices. LG built the Pixel 2 XL. Now, you could custom ROM this and get this up to the latest version of Android with the latest security patches, but you run the risk. It's like a 50-50 shot in the dark whether you end up getting a custom ROM that is smooth or a custom ROM that is glitchy. Nonetheless, that is your choice if you want to do that. But the phone still performs well. It's a 5-year-old phone and it's performing very, very well. And that's the crazy thing about it. It still performs smooth. It's got a single camera on the back. It's got one camera on the front, fingerprint sensor on the back, that two-tone panda colorway. And what really set it off was that orange power button that is very distinct, very noticeable. The size of it is pretty dope. And the screen had this little rounded edge that's very similar to the Pixel 7 Pro. By all, still a great phone if you choose to use it. I wouldn't recommend it nowadays, but it's still worth getting if you choose to.